Kings of Crunch, Greenlight Collectibles, Series 10, 1987 GMC Sierra Classic, Kodiak. On the back of the card, the other trucks in this series is the 1979 Ford F-250 PA Mountain Monster, the 1979 Ford F-250 War Master, 1987 Chevy Silverado Mad Crusher, the 1987 Chevy Silverado Wasted Wages, and 1993 Ford F-250 Crimson Crusher 2. Just a reminder that this is not a toy, it is more of a collectible item. It is a limited edition, and it is a 1/64th scale monster truck. Here comes Kodiak on top of the cars. I'm just gonna park him right there. And let's go ahead and start the review. And according to Monster Trucks Wiki, WIKI, and this is off of the website of monstertruck.fandom.com. This is where this information is coming from. Is Kodiak was owned and driven by Mark Bendler out of Waukesha, Wisconsin. It first debuted in 1983 and retired in 1995. One of the top reasons why I got this out of any of the other trucks in this series was because I remember watching Kodiak and on the United States Hot Rod Association television show back in the late 80s, early 90s. And I do believe he ran this paint scheme for Kodiak. And so this is some of the details. Let's go ahead, the sponsors of Kodiak. Then drop this down here. So there's two sponsors of Kodiak, I'm guessing, and then a third one right there. There's the United States Hot Rod Association sticker, which is very cool. Nice design for Kodiak, the name of the truck. Coming around to the front now. On the front grille, it has, well, it says GMC in the front, and then it does have a wrench on the front bumper. There's the lights. It does have, you can see inside of the cockpit. Hopefully you see a steering wheel. There you can see the steering wheel. There, a nice roll bar with lights on top of the truck. And a nice black bed cover for the bed of the truck. Here is the other side. What it looks like. All the designs. Here's the back of the truck on the tailgate. GMC. Underneath then, you get the painted blue axles. The drive line is all blue. Even the suspension and everything is all blue. Just like how it was back in the day for Kodiak. So that's very cool how they replicated that. As the suspension of the truck. Very nicely done by Greenlight Collectibles of Kodiak. So hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing and take a look at Kodiak. Thank you for tuning in.